Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel and a new Python tutorial video. And in this video we're going to talk about tuple and set. Now tuple and set are like lists, but they don't have all the properties what list has, but they have different properties. So let's see how tuple and set works in IDE. First, let's open IDE. First, let's discuss about tuple. How to make tuple? That's easy. It's just kind of like list. We make a variable of, let's say, tuple equals to. But in list we use these square brackets, and for list if we use square brackets, that already from default it means that we are making a list. So for tuple we use these round brackets, and we add some values like 23 integer numbers, 45, 54, 65, then I'm just adding random, and our tuple works. Now we can print tuple like this. See, we got 23, 45 and all the values. Then can we take out numbers? Yes, we can. I want to take out 65, so that's index number 4. Oh, the index number 4 is 78, my bad. And can we change the values? Now how to change values, I didn't even tell you in the last video. Well, if you have a list, you can let's say list, you can change it like 65, 54, 67. Oh, I forgot to put that brackets. 54 and 78. And then we got a list. Now how to, I need to change 65 to 98. I'll say list, and then I'll give the square brackets and write the index number of 65, which is 0, and then we have to write equal to 98, and it works. Now let's print list. See, we got 98, 54 and 78. Now can this work for tuple? Let's see. I want to change 54 into let's say 76. 54 is index number 2, and then I'll give a equal sign into 76. No, it's saying tuple object does not support item assignment, so tuple can't change values. And then in tuple, can that append and all that work? Let's see. Tuple dot. Oh, we got only 2. So in list we have append, pop, remove, but in tuple it only has count and index. So you can try it in your PC and check count and index. So and now it's time for set. And how to make set? That's also same, but of course we don't use square brackets and round brackets. and there's one more bracket there's one and only bracket left, that is curly brackets. and this by default means you are making a set. So in this we can give integer numbers 56 78 no, then I need 98. We made a set. Now let's print set. Oh, that's weird. We didn't get in the same order we typed it because this set is unique. So let's see if we can fetch values. I need 78. Do you think we can fetch values from set? Let's see. No, we can't because if we print set, we don't get it in an order, so how can indexing work? So all are different, but the way how to write them is same. And that's all for today's video. So till that, meet you in the next video. So till that, bye bye.